In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get your Trello API token. This is an essential step if you're looking to integrate Trello with other applications or automate tasks via scripts. The process is fairly simple and can be completed in just a few minutes, so let's dive right in. First, you'll need to visit the Trello Power-Ups admin page. This is your starting point, as it hosts all the settings related to Power-Ups that you've installed on your Trello account. Now, once you've landed on the page, you'll need to locate the power-up that you want to work with using the API. If you already have some power-ups set up, go ahead and select the relevant one. But if you haven't set up any yet, don't worry. You'll need to create a new power-up to proceed. Understanding which power-up you need an API token for is crucial, as it will guide you through the process and ensure you're working on the correct piece of software. Once you've selected or created the right power-up, you will want to access its settings. Within those settings, there should be a section specifically for API configurations. Look for a tab labeled API Key. This is where you'll find the key information you need to proceed with deriving your API token. In the API Key section, you're hunting for an option to generate an API token. Typically, this will present itself as a clickable link or a button adjacent to your API key. It's clearly marked, so it shouldn't be difficult to find. Once you've located this option, click on it to start the process of generating your API token. You will then be automatically redirected to an authorization page. This step is all about security. Trello wants to ensure that you're the one who's requesting the token and that you're aware of what it means to issue such a request. You'll need to go through the confirmation process on this page to allow the token to be generated. Usually, this involves simply confirming that you agree to the terms and that you authorize the generation of the token. After you've completed the authorization, you'll find that the API token has been freshly generated and is now visible on screen. Make sure to copy this token carefully, as it's unique to your power-up and will be vital for your integrations or automations moving forward. And there you have it. With these steps, you now know how to obtain a Trello API token in just a few simple moves. Whether you're a seasoned developer or just getting started with integrations, having an API token opens up a world of possibilities for customizing and optimizing your Trello experience. Thanks for watching, and happy coding!